Hi everyone, I hope you have an amazing day at THACH. Today I'm very excited to recommend you to know about the Happy Fruit store that's selling organic fruit and vegetable. The first step, when you arrive to the store, you can see the green banana and some vegetable that is shared inside to the store. That you can see is corn, bitter, eggplant, guava, avocado, potato, sweet potato, and it is a watermelon, pomelo, and also have like a papaya and green onion. And it is not only have food and fruit, but they have also like ingredient at the kitchen, and it is tea, and some of them like turmeric powder. This one is turmeric powder and black pepper here, and this is sesame, black sesame, and some cutie of okra. It is looked cute, and you see it is too small because it is organic vegetable, free chemical, and it is a Chinese kabak, and kabak with a garlic, red garlic, and also have the salangon, and ginger, and it is broccoli, green broccoli, and also have vinegar of the dragon fruit, red dragon fruit vinegar. Now we have some customer to looking for vegetable. Oh, cucumber. And it is the brown sugar powder that you put on the jar, and also have the like a brown sugar and green garlic with a banana flour. Oh wow, amazing, because it is an organic store. With the bean, is green bean, potato, and pineapple. Oh, I smell aromatic of pineapple. It smells good. It smells sweet because of this one. This one it smells so good. Thank you for the owner of the store that give me the best. What is called? Cucumber juice with a basil seed inside here and some lamb also. And I'm gonna taste it. And happy fruit, it means healthy, organic. It smells cucumber, a little bit sour, sweet, but it's good. Thank you.